Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. On this channel we talk about motherhood, lifestyle and a whole lot of fun stuff, so please do consider subscribing. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. In today's video I'll be showing you guys a very easy way, the easiest way to braid your child's hair without being a pro. Just keep watching to see how easy it is. For Zoe's hair, I already washed it and I'm using this Cantu hair conditioner because it works for us. We've seen results using this conditioner, and I'm using a homemade hair oil. I'm making a video of how I made this homemade hair oil. It's really nice and it gives your hair very good growth in no time. And then I just massage the hair a bit and use the hair dryer to melt in all the products I've just used. So I'll be sectioning the hair like I'm doing now to make it fast and easy. For me, this works every time and I really like it. You can try it as well. I already have pre-picked extension and the length is just good enough for Zoe's hair, and that's what I'll be using. It makes my work very easy. It's already been picked, brushed. I used it before now for myself, and this is the remaining. So I'm just trying to arrange it because I know I can't ask Zoe to be doing, like, she's not older, she can't be doing it for me. So I'm just arranging it to make my work very easy and fast. I'm using this Shine and Jam hair edge control. It's really nice. It makes your hair sleek and shiny without leaving all those residues on the hair later. This is my honest review, though it's not sponsored. Then I applied the homemade oil again and brushed it a bit. Before now, I already soaked some hair rubber band in oil, and the reason why you need to soak it in oil is to prevent your hair from breaking while taking down the braids later on. So it's time to braid the hair. Use the extension to wrap the hair very firm. When I mean firm, I don't mean tight. Just hold it very firm. If you make it too tight, your hair, the child's hair or the individual's hair will bring out those hair boils, and you don't like it. And it's going to be very painful as well. So just hold it firmly. Wrapping the hair and using the rubber band is just the trick to make it easy. Once you've use the rubber band to hold the hair and you wrap it, that's all. The next thing is just to braid it, and also hold the braid very firm so the hair can last. And I can assure you, this is the easiest way to braid your hair. You don't need to know how to braid. You don't need to know how to braid. Just follow this method as I've shown you. You don't need to know how to braid. Just follow this method as I've shown you, and you're good to go.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh,
You just need to repeat the same process. Use rubber band to hold the hair, wrap the hair with extension, and start braiding. That's easy. I intentionally did not braid the tips of this hair because I'll be using beads at the end of the braids.
Channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
See our hair. We haven't even put beads. We haven't even used hot water yet. But see, the result is already popping. I told you guys it's very easy.
But I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak my mind. Oh, baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, oh,
Now I'm done beading the hair and it's time to put it in hot water. Guys, if you have a child that is restless, please, I encourage you not to use hot water. Just use scissors to trim it and it will still come out looking nice. For Zoe, she's old enough and I already told her to stay well while putting the hot water, which she did. And the hair came out really looking nice. See, I made a very big mistake. Instead of me to put the hair in hot water before beading it, I beaded the hair before putting it in hot water and the rubber band melted, but the hair really came out nice. After everything, I still put the beads back using another set of rubber bands, and look, Zoe's face is shining, her hair is so beautiful. Guys, I hope this has helped one or two people who don't know how to braid but still want to braid maybe their kids' hair or even their hair. This can be done either for adults or kids. Do consider subscribing, share, like, and put on your notification button to enable you know when I post more videos. Thank you and remain blessed. See you in my next video. Bye.